In today's video, I'll show you how to create a creative opening where brush strokes move together to reveal your video. Open your project in CapCut Mobile and make sure your clip is placed at the beginning of the timeline. Tap on the video clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation to access the animation settings. Next, switch to the In tab, which controls how your video appears at the start. Scroll through the animation list until you find Synchronized brush, then apply it. As soon as it's applied, you'll see brush strokes moving in sync across the screen, gradually revealing the video underneath. Use the duration slider to control how fast the brush strokes move. Shorter duration creates a fast and energetic reveal, while longer duration feels smoother and more artistic. Preview the animation and fine-tune the timing so the movement feels natural. And that's it. You've successfully added a synchronized brush reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials.